Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the NOC-free wireless ergonomic split mechanical keyboard. This keyboard aims to blend comfort, functionality, and a bit of style into one package. Let's see if it delivers. First off, the split design is the star of the show. It encourages a more natural hand and wrist position, which can significantly reduce strain during long typing sessions. The included wrist rest is a nice touch, providing extra support and cushioning. It's detachable, so you can use it or not, depending on your preference. One of the most interesting features is its true wireless capability. It uses a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, and the company claims perfect synchronization even when the two halves are separated. This is a big deal for anyone who wants a clean, cable-free setup. For gamers or professionals needing that extra bit of reliability, there's also a wire connection option. The keyboard has a compact 60% layout, which means it's missing the number pad, function keys, and some navigation keys. This makes it much smaller and more portable, freeing up desk space. However, it might take some getting used to if you rely heavily on those missing keys. It also boasts hot swappable switches, which is a fantastic feature for keyboard enthusiasts. This means you can easily replace the switches without soldering, allowing you to customize the feel and sound of your keyboard to your liking. The keyboard also features per-key RGB lighting, which offers a wide range of customization options. You can adjust the colors, patterns, and brightness to match your setup or mood. The NOC-free keyboard is compatible with both Mac and Windows, making it a versatile option for users of different operating systems. It also features programmable keys, allowing you to create custom shortcuts and macros to streamline your workflow. The PBT keycaps are durable and resistant to wear and tear, ensuring that the legends won't fade over time. They also have a nice textured feel, which enhances the typing experience. The inclusion of foam within the keyboard's construction is another thoughtful addition, aimed at dampening sound and improving the overall acoustics. This results in a quieter and more pleasant typing experience, which is especially beneficial in shared workspaces or quiet environments. In terms of aesthetics, the white color gives it a clean and modern look. It's a keyboard that should appeal to those who value both form and function.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.